We all know about the sensational Arbitrum token. Today, I will show you how to make money on the arbitration of this token using the bifnix exchange. As we can see, the exchange rate on this exchange is lower than on the Binance exchange. This is all because he appeared here quite recently, and we need to have time to buy him cheaper. Go to the deposit and copy our wallet usdt. Then we go to Binance and try to start with $5,000. You can replenish more. Great, the money is credited to the balance, and we immediately go into trading to buy ARB for the full amount. Enter the total amount and click buy. Now let's withdraw our token to Binance. Go to Binance and copy your Arbitrum address. We return to the exchange, insert the address, and indicate the amount, taking into account the commission. Click on Withdraw, waiting for confirmation of the transaction in the blockchain. And so we received on Binance such an amount in the ARB token, which is approximately $5,450 at the Binance rate. Thus, we earned $450 in just one round. Use this scheme, friends. Have a nice day.